Cobra333Chuxy, and welcome to my first desk setup 2017. Now, oops. Here we got the Nintendo 2DS case and the charger, and the main part of it is the Nintendo 2DS. And also, we're going to the computer. The ASUS T100. Yeah, it's a flip-up thing and stuff. And then we could show the Zealities. The Zealities F15 wire to wireless mouse. It's cool, like the ASUS dock charger is the wireless. That's good. And the second generation Echo Dot, $49.99. And also a pencil sharpener there too. So then there's an extension cord there. So my chargers. And there's my games and the manual in there. And my cell phone, pencils. I need to work with scissors too. That's all I have for my setup today. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like if you like this video, because I appreciate your love. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you next video. Bye!